I'm sorry, Aunt, I can't agree to this process.
Why, Sid? A lot of people get divorced like this.
No. 1 second, Tess. Just because a lot of people do it doesn't mean I have to do it too. I don't want to cheat anyone in this manner.
If you say that you didn't marry him willingly, you were compelled to marry Sid because of circumstances, and you don't want to be in this relationship, everything will be done smoothly, Mithai.
Grandfather? Grandfather, do I have to say all this?
Aunt, why should Mithai say all this? She isn't facing any problem in my family.
How did Sid change so much? How could he behave in that manner with us? Why is he so concerned about that rustic mithai? How can this happen? This can't happen. No, this can't happen. This can't happen. Shom, where were you all these days? Everything is falling apart over here. Do you have any idea about that? Did you come back to Kolkata?
No. But I'll be back soon. I was stuck due to some important personal work.
Shom, when you weren't here, a lot of things have happened. Aditya Agrawal had supposedly trapped Neepa and eloped with her on the day of her wedding.
What? What are you saying? Where is Nipa? Such a big disaster has struck my family and I'm out of town.
Hold on. That means you two think that the Modak family is your own family, right? Okay, Shom, listen to me. Please don't utter the word revenge anymore. And while doing something wrong, don't expect Torsha to be in your team. When everyone is turning good, then why should Torsha remain bad? I'm also thinking of accepting the job offer in Singapore.
Torsha, hold on for a minute. Why are you getting annoyed? I heard all that from you. Look, I consider Shri and Nipa one of my own sisters. Is everyone fine at home?
Yes, Shom. Everyone is absolutely fine. Shri got married to Ratul. I think they are also doing quite fine. Mithai is also quite happy in the Modak house. Mr. Siddharth Modak doesn't want to get divorced from Mithai any longer. Yes, he's giving lousy excuses. Look, only because Uncle Samresh had requested my mom, she has filed a divorce case against Mithai on behalf of Siddharth Modak. But now I think that once Sid reaches the code, he'll think that since Grandpa can't accept this divorce in his heart...
Wait for a while. Let the divorce happen.
Let all ties be served between Mithai and that family. Mithai will be finished. So will be the Modak Empire. Look, I had fallen weak hearing about Nipa and Shri. No, Torsha. We can't give up like this. I'm coming back. We have to make new strategies.
You are correct, Shom. Come back and contact me. Good night.
Okay. Good night.
Mithai has become too audacious these days. How does she have the audacity to call me up like this? Hello? What happened, Mithai? Why are you calling me repeatedly?
This is Tess here, Sid. These days you spend most of your time with Mithai, so you see Mithai everywhere. Am I right? Anyway, I'm happy to see that you are happy in your marital life, Sid. You know, you look like a perfect family man these days. Do you know that?
What?
Yes. A henpecked husband who is missing his wife all the time.
No. Just wait a second. Tess, hold on. What is your problem? What are you trying to say?
I'm telling the truth
Don't try to reason
with me. I'm saying what I'm seeing.
or else the way you behaved with my mother today. At least my friend Siddharth Modak wouldn't have done that.
What did I say wrong? I didn't have any idea that you guys were coming to my place with the divorce papers. And to be very honest, Tess, you know very well I hate lies.
But still, Sid, you are constantly lying to yourself. Listen, your heart has already accepted Mithai, and that is why you don't want to give her a divorce. Just in order to protect your image, you're saying that you don't believe in marriage and relations and all, but actually you believe in all these concepts. And you know what, Sid? You don't deserve someone like me. That rustic sweet seller Mithai suits you best, your good fit partner, your wife. She's Mrs. Siddharth Modak.
What? Listen, Tess, just stop it, all right? Listen, if I lose my control now and start shouting, then you won't stop crying. So just stop it.
No, I'm not going to tolerate everything silently. You have told me about your beliefs so many times. That you don't believe in love, that you don't believe in relationships. That's what you always say. You are as common as any other Bengali man. Just that you wear a mask. Anyway, I just wanted to say you one thing. Look, Sid, my mom has filed a divorce case only because Uncle Samresh had requested her help. Now, if you decide that you don't want to get divorced any longer, then my mom will lose face. So, please think in advance about whether you want to have a family with Mithai or not. And if you're willing to continue your relationship with her, then please kindly inform my mom. Thank you. Bye.
This is not done, Tess. So not done. I couldn't even imagine that you would insult me like this.
What should I do now? Where should I escape? And how many times should I run? There are so many peoples in this world. This had to happen only with me. Why? Why? Oh, Lord. Lord, what is happening? No. I can't do this anymore. Is this some kind of a joke? Last time, Ratul disappeared just before the wedding ritual. And today, he's nowhere to be found in the house just before the second ritual. There is point in calling him either. I'm sure he has switched off his phone. Oof. Ratul, are you taking revenge on me for some other lifetime? It's ringing.
Yes, brother, tell me.
Silly fool, where are you? Huh?
Where the heck are you?
Listen, Ratul, I just can't tolerate this behavior of yours any longer. I want to know something very clearly. How many times do I have to be embarrassed in front of people because of you?
No, brother, I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go. I really felt like going somewhere for a few days. But I couldn't do that. I was thinking about you guys again and again.
Ratul, what's wrong with you? You're not the kind of person who becomes so restless.
I'm indeed feeling restless, brother. What can I do? I had planned my life in a different way. My whole world came crashing down, brother. Now, how can you guys ask me to do the wedding rituals? I'm not like Siddharth. I believe in marriage. I believe that it's an institution. I had a dream that Nipa would enter my life as a wife and I will love and cherish her all my life. Now, all of a sudden, how can I accept someone else as my wife?
Ratul, my dear brother, you can't break down like this. Tell me, won't you think about Sri even for once? Ratul, you can't think only about yourself all the time. One needs to think about others too. These are the values that our family has taught us. Please don't forget. Our mom has made a promise to Sri's family that Sri will face no problems in our family. Now, if you behave like this, then just think about it. How will she face them again? Ratul, on the day of the wedding, the person who decided to make Sri the daughter-in-law of this family is no one else but your mom. You can't ignore that fact, understood? Come inside the house. Come inside at once. And yes, listen. Please learn to keep your indecisiveness and worries to yourself, okay? Or else people who love you will get worried for you. What? Why are you so silent? Say something.
Brother, give me 5 minutes and I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Here comes Brother Ratul. Where were you all this while? Everybody was so worried for you.
I was in the car. I was parking my car.
Oh, Brother Rajiv, Sister Nanda, look, Brother Ratul has arrived. Shri, come with me. There are so many rituals to be done. We are getting late. Come along with me. Mithai, there is no need to do any more rituals now. Can you please reason with everyone? Just tell them that I don't want it. If you explain to Aunt Sushmita, I'm sure she will understand. Look, it might not be possible for Rajiv and Nanda to say these things to Aunt Sushmita. Can you please convey this to her on my behalf, Mithai? I will. Sister Shri, let me take you to your room now. Let Brother Rajiv speak to Brother Ratul. Let's go, okay? Let's go.
Hey, are you going to sit there just like this or will you get ready?
What should I get ready for? Tell me.
Listen, Ratul, enough is enough. We all can understand your mental condition, okay? But now you have to accept the reality.
Is it so easy to accept, brother? Hmm? I think I'm cheating everyone. I'm cheating myself and all of you. I'm cheating even Shri and Nipa as well. Do you even realize what I feel? I feel like going somewhere far away. I just can't take this anymore, brother. Believe me, I can't.
Ratul, no problem of yours can be solved by sulking alone. Stop talking nonsense now. Sri is already in the bedroom waiting for you. You too should get ready. Ratul, there are elders in our house now. Just because they don't want to be a part of these rituals, they aren't getting involved. Have you thought what will happen if mom gets to hear whatever you are saying? She'll become sad and she'll fall sick. Ratul, everything will be all right. Sri is an intelligent and sensitive girl. You won't have any problem adjusting. Please have a little faith in your brother. Come on now. Please come.
Oh, Sister Nanda, did you arrange a plate of sweets? Where are you?
Yes, Mithai, everything is ready. Listen, I have spoken to mother. We don't need to do the ritual of exchanging garlands. Please keep these sweets and water in their room. I'm going to the kitchen, Mithai.
Sure. Lord, what kind of ritual is this? Are you planning to make Sister Shri suffer like Mithai has suffered? What will she do for the rest of her life, Lord? Please help her a little. Please help her, Lord. These days you just don't seem to listen to Mithai. Please, Lord, please. Help.
No one gave me the chance to refuse this marriage. But you were not in my position. You had options, right? Then why couldn't you refuse my mom? In order to salvage the honor of two families, you ruined two people's lives.
2 lives? Which 2 lives?
Naturally, mine and Nipa. I know, Shri. You are a very nice girl, Shri. You have a big heart. Your thoughts are quite mature. But Shri, what should you and I do now?
Today I must take a decision regarding my marriage for sure. Or else, neither Ratul nor I can live with peace. Ratul is not being able to accept this marriage. How will Aunt Sushmita force him to lead a married life with me? No. This is not possible.
Sister Shri, what are you saying? Don't utter such words ever again, Sister Shri. Look, Brother Ratul is a very nice person. Everything will be all right gradually, sister. Tell me, did Brother Ratul say anything to you regarding this marriage?